Hello guys, Andrea Cockroach here. If you want to learn how to design a character with a retro anime flavor, then this is the perfect course for you. Watch me going through the creation process of a character from the early rough sketch up to the final render. I've been in the game industry for over 12 years now, creating tons of character designs, concept art, and illustrations for games. My artworks were used for tabletop games, sometimes video games, and illustration books. I've been in the art direction of games like Arcadia Quest, Chaos Ball, and many other titles for Cool Mini or Not since 2013. What will give you the most crazy satisfaction as an artist is to have a recognizable style and stand out. If your style is unique and fresh, you will surely find your place in the art industry, and believe me, there is plenty of space on this planet for any kind of art style. Once you will understand this, you will begin to have fun with your art and develop your own unique skills, building them around what you really want to draw. In this course, you will improve your understanding of the anime style and its main features, to push the pedal of your creativity a bit more and avoid those well-known anime cliches. Gain confidence in drawing creative characters and poses. Have fun drawing unique and sometimes weird features for your characters. Remember, people will always love to see something totally out of the ordinary. Learn a step-by-step creation of a new character so you won't be unprepared when that big company hurts you. This course is great for beginners, but also for more experienced artists who want to learn about another artist's point of view and this process. In the course, I use an affordable Japanese software called Paint-Tool-Sai, but you can use any other software of your choice. I'll be using a Wacom Cintiq 22 HD display with a Wacom Slim Pen, but any tablet that you have will do. I'm really excited to share my own way to work with you and hopefully to teach you something interesting and helpful. And now let's start with the lesson.